All right, y'all. We got the wide lens on the iPhone 11. It might look a little grainy, but we're gonna go with it. We'll cook some white rice. I wanted to get some brown rice, but white rice is fine. I don't mind it. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. That's what I am doing. Put it to a boil. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit more. Then I'm gonna put it in about maybe 30 seconds. Put it on medium, and then the lid half on top. Right here, we got this top. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. We got a nice little grill over here because we're cooking some steak today. So I got this steak for $7.90. This is a nice fat piece of steak. A Wagyu about this size would have been about $100+. We're gonna try that one day, but right now we're doing some Angus beef. All right, so let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grind some salt onto that, and that's all we're doing. Just adding salt. And later on we'll add some more things, but right now just a little bit of salt, nothing too much. Now I know you might think, whoa, John, that was a lot. A lot of it's gonna get cooked off. So I added some oil to the pan. Boom. And we're gonna hit the top with a little bit of salt, and then we're done. That's it. That's the only thing we're doing to this bad boy right now. All right, so let's let this sit, and yeah. Okay, so as that continues, and that continues, I'm actually gonna work on a salad right now. So we'll go ahead and make a salad with some things that we have here. But we're gonna focus on this bad boy right now. Sweet. So I just moved it literally like that, just to get those nice little char marks. So we'll let that sit for a bit. I do need to put salt on top, so I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I was just thinking to myself right now, I probably should have filmed the flip because that looks so good right now. Check it out, y'all. Oh yeah, that is looking gravy, baby. So we'll let it cook for about maybe 6 more minutes, and then we're done because we like to eat it medium rare. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get a little bit of rosemary. Unfortunately, I couldn't find like living rosemary, not like this, but it works. I'd prefer the like right off the stem type of rosemary, but we also have some butter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix these two together and just kind of like let it sit on this bad boy. And then we're done. Like, that's pretty much done. The rice is still going. Probably, I'd probably say like 10 more minutes for the rice, maybe 5. The salad I'm gonna finish really quick. But we're eating some good food today. We are blessed, thank you, Jesus. Today was a crazy day, man. I'll tell you that right now because it's starting to look a little normal. A little. But anyways, hey, I don't know. We're not done with the video. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. All right, so we threw a little bit of the rosemary, some of the butter on there. We're gonna let the butter kind of like just like melt, and let those flavors infuse, kind of meld, and then we'll do that to the same to the other side, and then that's done. Yeah, that is good. All right, now the transfer and the cutting of the meats. Because, you know, you obviously have to get that on footage. So we'll go ahead and grab the steak. That's a lot of nice juices. Plop that right there. We'll get a cutting knife and cut it. All right, the cutting of the meat. You know, this isn't as, the way I'm cutting it isn't as, like what I thought it was gonna look like. I'm just gonna take a bite of this and we're gonna try it out. Oh. Oh, wait. I will say, it's a little overcooked for my taste. But Also, you can tell the difference between like this kind of rosemary and like the other type of rosemary. So like naturally you just pluck it out. Yeah. All right, so that is it, y'all. This is the meal. It looks, you might think, oh, that's not cooked. It is cooked. All right, it's not rare. It's like medium rare. No, it's not even medium rare. This is more of almost just like medium, I guess. But we did make a salad as well. You can put a lot of things into this salad, so I used this, 50-50, and also throw that there. I had some cherry tomatoes and whatnot. These are only here because I didn't want to waste the space, so I threw them in there. But yeah, that is the meal for the day. Or not for the day, but dinner. That's dinner right there. Let's get it. All right, so we got some food and we got some anime, and we're just here chilling. And yeah.